Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I just want to take a few seconds to thank everybody for supporting my shows by using my Amazon store. The link to my store is down here below each of my videos. And a number of people bought stuff during the Amazon Prime week, a couple days this week. Appreciate that. Also, I looked at my sales for the year. Lots of some people are supporting me. I think about 75% of the stuff that people bought through my link, not from what was in my store, but other things on Amazon that they purchased when they took my link. You know, like birdseed and all kinds of things. So what I have done, I have purchased 3 radios from Amazon that were on sale this week to review on my show. So these are, I think the first ones will be coming tomorrow. So I'm going to have at least 3 shows, and maybe some of them I'll do 2 shows on or more. One of them is this guy right here. I got a really mixed bag on my show asking, should I try this thing? Because there's been mixed reviews. And so since it was on sale for half price, and through your donations by purchasing stuff on my Amazon store and getting a commission, I went ahead and bought one of these so that I can give you my opinion on this radio. $19.95, it's a good price, but is it any good? Is it even worth $19.95? We shall find out. Thanks again, and have a great day. Bye-bye.